Looking to add more money to a mutual fund you've already invested in? Don't worry, it's a simple process on Grow. Let's go through the steps. First, open the Grow app and head to the mutual fund section. Once there, go to your mutual fund dashboard to view all your ongoing investments. Select the mutual fund you wish to invest more in. On the mutual fund details page, click on investment details to expand your options. At the bottom right, tap on the invest button. Now you'll be given two options, one time or start SIP. Choose the option that fits your investment plan. If you prefer to invest in a lump sum, select one time, and if you want to set up recurring investments, choose Start SIP. Enter the amount you wish to invest. Then complete the payment through UPI, net banking, or other available payment methods. For SIPs, make sure you have an approved AutoPay mandate to ensure future payments are made automatically. And that's it. You've successfully added more money to your mutual fund. Happy investing and see you in the next video.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Read all scheme related documents carefully before investing.